Today, we're diving into the Nilight 2-inch rear trailer hitch receiver kit, specifically designed for the 2021 to 2024 Ford Bronco, excluding the Bronco Sport. This kit bolts directly onto factory holes, meaning no drilling or cutting is required, making installation a breeze for both 2-door and 4-door models. Constructed with heavy-duty, all-in-one thick tubes and a rust-resistant black powder coating, this hitch is rated for an impressive 3,500-pound gross trailer weight and a 350-pound tongue weight, ensuring superior strength and durability. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, the thick welds and long-lasting durability of this hitch receiver mean it's ready for any adventure you throw its way. Plus, it comes equipped with 2 types of trailer power cord mounting brackets, allowing you to choose the one that fits your power connector perfectly. The package includes everything you need: 1 rear hitch receiver, a complete set of mounting hardware, and a sleek hitch cover. So gear up your Bronco with the Nilight rear trailer hitch receiver kit and hit the road with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.